Hi everyone, here's a video on thread repair for damaged threads on the leveling plug in the side of our transmission for 2013 through 2016 or 17 Ford Escapes. So here is my plug from my leveling port on my 2013 Escape transmission of the 1.6 liter engine. This plug is located off to the left of the driver's axle, looking at the transmission from the driver's wheel well. The threading on this plug is an M10 by 1 thread. So if you've cross-threaded it and there's still material on there, your best option is going to be to pack the channels of this tap with grease and chase the threads and change the grease every time you cut some new threading. If your threading is fully stripped out and you need to upsize to the next tap, the next size up is 7/16 20 standard tap. There's going to be minimal drilling needed because a clearance hole for an M10 is very close to the drill hole to receive a 7/16 by 20 tap. You have to do the same practice with packing the channels with grease, and then of course you would need to get a new plug, which would just mean buying a 7/16 20 bolt with a similar head diameter, and then getting a rubber washer and putting it underneath the head. There is of course the other option of going to a helicoil insert, which is the third option. I would recommend not doing that if you can help it. The helicoil would allow you to keep the M10 by 1 threading to keep using this plug, but to insert the whole coil you're going to be using a drill to remove a lot more material, which is a lot more risky because you have a better chance of metal shards going into your transmission. So luckily I was able to go the retap option with my M10 by 1, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. To give yourself the most access to the level plug, raise your vehicle and put it safely on jack stands so that you can climb underneath it. Have the engine cool, remove the splash shield, and drain the transmission fluid from the bottom plug. You should drain 4 to 4.5 quarts, and you will need replacement fluid. Locate your transmission level plug to the left or right of the driver's axle. So the approach I've been taking is to, again, chase the threads with the M10 by 1 tap. So for this procedure, you're going to need a M10 by 1 tap, a wrench. I just have a little 1/4 inch wrench to hold on to it because you can't use a full T-handle. There's just not enough room to turn in there. You're going to need some Q-tips, and then you're going to need some general purpose lithium grease. And then what I haven't done yet is degreaser to clean the threads off of all this grease that we're rubbing in there right now. I would do it by hand and turn it until I hit a hard spot. But then I would take my 1/4 inch wrench, I would put it on the back, and then I would bring the wrench down, do a 1/4 turn, and then break it free and back the entire thing out with my hand. Just clean out all of the grease in the flutes and on the tap threads itself, and then repack with new grease. Alright, so here I just have some engine degreaser. I sprayed some into the cap there, and I'm soaking these Q-tips in it. I'm going to go under and clean it out with it. We have our threads cleaned out and degreased, and our plug cleaned off, and our gasket on the back of the plug looking good. I'll put my plug back in, again, really just gently with my hands, and tighten it all the way in. Then I'm holding a T30 Torx head right here, just to give it one more little tug. And that's all I'm going to do. Hope you found this helpful. Hope you liked it. Hope you never have to do this. If you have any questions or comments, please post below. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and check out our links on Amazon for any tools and stuff that we used here. Links are down below in the comments. Thanks a lot. Bye.